For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. You're worthy. You're worthy of it all. He did it all for you. So when are you gonna start to think that you're enough? How about today? Today seems like a really good day. Not just for resurrection, but for you. For you to put yourself back on the priority list, and for you to realize that God did it for you. You're enough. You're more than enough. I'm enough. I'm more than enough. I'm immeasurably more than enough. That is physical, that's emotional, that's spiritual, that's financial. When are we going to see our worth? Your worth getting up early and working out for. Your worth taking time for yourself to do devotion, leaning in on your relationship with God. You're enough to have a better job, one that you truly love and that gives God the glory. You're worthy of cooking that chicken and rice and broccoli instead of going to Chick-fil-A. Now listen, that is the Lord's chicken. I love Chick-fil-A. But you're worth more than fast food all the time. You're worth 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Now, if you have little ones and you're breastfeeding or whatever, and you're just not in that season right now, that might not be true for you. You might not get the 7 or 8 hours of sleep like you should, but you have to do what you have to do right now. But you're worthy too. You're worthy. You are worth spending money at the grocery store on the lean meat rather than the 85%. Go get the 93 or 97%. You're worth brushing your teeth twice a day. You're worth drinking a gallon of water a day. You are. Not only are you worth it, but God died. He sent his son to die for you to be able to have the ability to do those things. Mandated. Not maybe, not should, maybe can, maybe it's possible. Maybe that's for somebody else. No. He came to do that for you. So what are you going to do for him? What are you going to do for your vessel? You don't like beef? That's fine. Eat something else. But get your protein. You're vegetarian? That's fine. Eat the beans. Get some yogurt. You don't really like water. Sorry. Get some lemon, some lime, some strawberries. Throw it in there. You really like your Diet Coke. It doesn't like you. It's not doing anything for you. You should feel better than you do. You don't have to live bloated. You don't have to live constipated. You don't have to live upset and irritated and ready to explode at any moment. You don't have to live that way. Because greater is he that is in me and you than is in the world. It's really that simple. You're worthy of it because he made you worthy. This isn't my traditional message of, make sure you have a leg day, have an arm day, make sure you get in your steps, 10,000 steps. It's going to save your life. Make sure you're eating properly. It's not typical, but it's just as important. You're important. You're worthy. I don't know who needs to hear that, but I'm going to say it again and again throughout this video that you're worthy. You were worthy yesterday. And you're worthy today. You're going to be even more worthy tomorrow. But do you really grasp that? Do you really believe that? Do you really think that? You know who notices when you don't feel enough? Your kids, your spouse, your coworkers, your patients, your clients. God. When you don't feel like you're enough and you're dragging and you're lashing out and you're neglecting yourself and you're neglecting your health and you're neglecting your time with God and you're neglecting your relationship, you're showing everyone how you think you are unworthy and that you're not good enough. But I'm here to tell you that you are. You totally are. So I hope that today, in this very untraditional video that I've done, that I have reminded you of your value, of your worth, of your place. Take your place. Take your space. Because you're worthy and you're worth it.